Hey guys, my name is Jeff. I'm here today with Ben. Ben is an existing customer and he's gonna try something a little bit different with his hairstyle today. So Ben, what are you most excited about?
So today I'm just excited about trying something new, you know, same kind of length, but different hairstyle, which is really exciting. And today my brother is coming in, I don't know if you know.
No.
So he obviously suffers with hair loss as well, and he's really excited to, you know, try one of these systems, and I'm really excited for him.
So we're gonna get his hair back.
Yeah, can't wait.
I'm here with Joe today, and we are gonna give you your hair back. Are you excited about that?
Yeah, really excited actually, yeah.
Awesome. How did you find out about what we do and how did you get involved in what we're doing today?
Yeah, so my brother had sort of similar systems and then joined, I think, the London Hair Clinic about 2 years ago. So it was always sort of on my radar and something that I was going to end up doing, I think.
My dad, granddad, and I assume his dad as well, all had it, and quite young as well. You know, I think I lost mine when I was about 16, 17.
Okay, young. I lost mine young as well. Ben spoke very highly of you and he's excited to see you get your hair back. You know, obviously hair loss is something that runs in the family. He said he texted you a photo.
Yeah, he did, yeah.
How was that?
Yeah, it was great. He was sporting a new style, so it was interesting to see, you know, where he wants to go with his hair.
Did it get you excited about your appointment today?
Yeah, definitely. Because I mean, it looks really, really good. So
I'm excited to see what's going to happen for him.
Yeah, same.
All right, and then I'm sure he's probably excited to see your new hairstyle.
Yeah.
What do you think you want to do for a hairstyle?
probably sort of similar, but maybe go a bit blonder.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I am ready, yeah.
This is going to be a really cool story, so let's show everybody what we're about to do.
Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
I'm really chuffed with this new style. I'm really glad I tried it.
Just spoke to my brother on FaceTime and we were both really, really happy and excited about this.
I'm as excited about his as I am about this, but how good does it look?
Yeah, and anyone who's thinking about it, I really encourage you to come down to the London Hair Clinic and get your hair back. Yeah, it's fantastic.